Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. My name is Joey Cantino, and every Christmas I'd love to sing a song for you here on the Wildwood's Boardwalk. And with Santa above us on the Ferris wheel, let's go ahead and sing it. Here we go. It came upon the midnight clear, that glorious song of old, from angels bending near the earth to touch their harps of gold. Peace on the earth, goodwill to man, from hands all gracious King. The world in solemn stillness lay to hear the angels sing. From my family to yours, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year filled with love and tons of beautiful memories. I picked this song because it talks about peace on earth, and for those who don't know, my wife has family in Ukraine, so right now we need prayers, love, and peace on earth. I'm Joey from the Wildwood Video Archive. As always, I'll see you on the beach. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.